What's going on? This is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about what you should do when you get a sell or buy order from CopyPro traders. So, when you're in the market and you put money into your Kraken account and you have your Tether set up, you've converted your coins into Tether. What ends up happening is your selected trader is going to make a trade once the market reaches the criteria that they have set forth in their trading style. And when that happens, you're going to get an email. This is the back office of my email account that I set up specifically for CopyPro traders. And you'll get a reply like this. And this one says, new trader sell order. And this came in at 4:19 this morning. So you click on it and then you'll get this nice email that says a trader you are following has just made a trade to sell ADA. You can verify on your exchange if the trade was sold. We're happy to have you as part of the family of traders. We're here to help you every step of the way. So once you get this email, which is kind of cool because it happens in the middle of the night when you're sleeping sometimes, right? And usually, you know, depending on the market, this could be a profit. So you wake up to profits in your account, which is always a cool thing. So first thing you want to do is you want to go back into your Kraken account. So let's go into our Kraken account and we're going to look up that trade. So we'll sign in, go through the sign in process, and the two-factor authentication code. And you punch that in. Alrighty, so first thing you want to do when you get that is let's go back and let's reference that email again. It was a sell order of ADA. Alright, so we're going to go into our Kraken account and we're going to click on trades. And there it is, a verified sell market ADA. They sold it at $1.36. The volume was 308. That's 308 ADA that I had coins, and then the cost was $419.76. So this is what goes back into my Tether account, and if I bought it at a lower price than that, then that's going to be my profit. So let's go and find the buy order for that ADA so that we can see if I made money or not. So here it is, it's the buy order ADA for $1.295087. So we're looking good, right? So far this number is less than this number, so we know that a profit was going to be had. But before we know for sure, we have to check the volume to make sure it's the same trade. So the volume here is 308 and then this one is 308, so we know that this was the buy order and then this was the sell order for the same exact trade. Now that's important because if you're in multiple positions of ADA, for instance, there may be two separate trade orders and you don't want to credit the wrong order because then you don't have an accurate picture of whether or not you made a profit, and if so, how much. So we know for sure that this is the right pairing, right? This is the buy and this is the sell and it's the same volume. So it looks like we bought it at 398.886796. and we sold it for $419.763652. So right off the bat, we can see that we made a profit, and you can just break out a simple calculator and subtract 419.763652, or I'd rather subtract 398.886796 from 419.763652. And that tells you your profit, right? That's what's going to be going back into your assets here as Tether, right? And so that opens it up so that your traders can have access to your Tether in order to make trades on your behalf. Now, when I say access to your Tether, they don't actually grab your Tether. They send an API signal to the back office of your Kraken exchange, and then it verifies that you have enough Tether in your account for the amount that you set forth in CopyPro traders to trade per trade. If you have enough Tether and they make another trade, then you will be in on that trade. All right. So that's what you do when you get an email from CopyPro traders that says new sell order. Now, what happens if you get a new buy order? And this is an example of what I would do. So you get a new buy order, you open it up, it's kind of the same standard message. Your trader you are following has made a trade to buy BCH, right? Verify it in your given exchange. So again, we go back into our Kraken account, and right off the top, we see Bitcoin Cash right here. So it's already under assets. Now this position is higher. So what does that mean? It means that I'm in multiple trades in BCH because my trading amount right now is $400. So I know I'm in at least 2 trades of Bitcoin Cash, right? So what we're going to do again, we're going in trades. We find the buy order, which is right here, BCH. And then what you're going to do, if you're anything like me, is you'll go into your cryptocurrency trading log and you'll put that information in. So right here where it says assets, let me close this out so we can see what we're all doing. Right here it says assets, so we're going to go all the way down to assets. We're going to type in Bitcoin Cash, today's date, the 29th. This is how you track your trades, ladies and gentlemen. All right, and then the trading amount. How much did I trade? Let's go back in and let's see. All right, so we're buying BCH. Let's see, the price was $892.03. The volume was 0.44, and the cost, this is how much I traded, was $399.99. So we're gonna go back in here. We're gonna punch in $399.99. And then this is for the volume. What's the buy volume? That's important. So the buy volume was this number right here. So you can just grab it if you want to. You don't have to memorize it. And just grab it and then paste it here. All right. And then this is the cost. So let's go back up here. And the price was $892.03. So we grab that, put it into our trading log. And now we're done because this is the buy side. So this side right here is what happens when it's traded. So once it's sold, we're going to put the volume that was sold to verify we're in the right trade. So this number should look just like this number or very similar. Like maybe for instance this 104 doesn't come through in the cell, but you know that it's the same one because it's the 0.4484 would have appeared here, right? It's close enough so that you know you're in the right trade. And then you're going to put the date it sold, and then you're going to put how much money went back into your Tether account, and then this will automatically calculate your percentage, and then this will tell you what your profit level is. Now, on my particular trading log, I always put the same number here and here so it zeroes out because I don't like looking at that nasty negative $399.99 number. Okay, and then when I get the true sell number, I replace this number with the true sell number, and that's how I know the percentage and the profit that I made if it was indeed a profitable trade. All right, so that's what you want to do whenever you get a buy or sell order from Copy Pro Traders. All right, so this is Darren Johnson with StrongMoneyPlan.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section, and I'm happy to shoot another video or answer your question directly. And if you want more information on Copy Pro Traders, there's a link below, or you can simply go to strongmoneyplan.com and you will be able to see my information. You'll see the trading information as well as some training that I have included for you for free to orient you to cryptocurrency as well as Copy Pro Traders and how to get set up and how to get running and how to fund your account ASAP if that's what you choose to do. All right, so I will talk to you in another video. Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. Take care.